In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Word automatically save your documents every minute. Enabling autosave is an excellent way to prevent losing your work due to unexpected crashes, power outages, or accidental closures. With this feature turned on, Word continuously saves your document in the background, giving you peace of mind while working on important projects. To begin, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open an existing one. Once your document is ready, go to the File tab at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking File will open the Backstage view, where you can access Word's settings and options. Next, select Options at the bottom of the menu. This will open the Word Options dialog box, where you can customize various features and preferences. In this window, click on the Save category from the list on the left-hand side. The Save section contains all the settings related to saving documents, including autosave and auto-recover options. Here, you will see a checkbox labeled Save Auto-Recover Information every X minutes. Make sure this box is checked. In the field next to it, you can change the time interval. By default, Word saves every 10 minutes, but to save every minute, simply enter 1 in the box. This ensures that Word frequently saves backup copies of your document as you work. You may also want to check the box that says, Keep the last auto-saved version if I close without saving. This setting adds an extra layer of protection by retaining your most recent changes even if you forget to manually save before closing Word. Once you've adjusted these settings, click OK to apply the changes. Now, Microsoft Word will automatically save your document every minute, reducing the risk of losing any work. You can continue typing and editing as usual, and the autosave feature will run silently in the background. If you are using OneDrive or SharePoint, you can also enable the autosave toggle at the top left of the Word window. This provides real-time cloud saving, ensuring that your document is stored online and accessible from other devices. And that's all there is to it. By configuring Word to save your documents every minute, you can work confidently knowing that your files are protected and up to date. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.